Wednesday, FOMO head. How are you, man?
Hump day.
Taco Tuesday was another great success, FOMO. Pumping past all-time highs, and then you got a little bit of pullback. What people do, they get little profits. Ridiculous at this time, yes, because we're going to a Billy. I don't know why you would take anything at around a 3 or 4 million. Paper hand, you weak.
And they got no vision.
You got to go for the gold. We're over here to make generational wealth, FOMO. Come on now.
I'm looking at people buying and selling and making $200, right? Like, what are you doing?
Yeah, I did it. Hey, Mom, I made it. That's right. It's all good. But let me get over here. We got the map, FOMO.
Oh, we got the map.
Oh, look at the map exploding. Hey, check in. Make sure you're in the. Oh, look at it go, FOMO head. Something's happening. Because it was rocking and rolling right there, man. Love it. Love the map, man. The map.
I'm gonna fire. Did you fire?
I'm about to. You fire. I see.
Firing. You fire.
You fire. You see.
Nothing.
Oh, look. Isn't that cute? Is that? Let me see. Let me put it. Let me get a scope. Do I need to get a scope?
Pretty much.
All right. Look. Here we go. ATL. Here it is. Come on. Going. Oh, that's nice. Look at that. Strong captains putting out there, right? That's what I'm talking about. Love it, man. There's so much going on here. FOMO got mobbing, got Telegram, got this connectricity map. You got all kinds of crazy stuff, man. Love it here, man. But yes, hump day. Got a lot of news. ETF went off pretty smooth, man. Pretty smooth. We're going to talk about that, and we're going to talk about onboarding. And then I think you got some cool tokens maybe to look at, huh?
I got some news.
Got some news. I love it. I love news. I had to change up the background a little bit, and look, it even got the kind of the wise guy's color, the mystique. It's mystique, Love it.
So we're not going to be able to play that game today.
You're not going to play the game?
I can't get my phone connected. I don't have the right cable, I guess.
It's all good. No worries, FOMO.
Very upsetting.
No worries.
Very upsetting.
Yeah, I was looking forward to it. We like battling because this is the Taco Dome, FOMO.
What's this? Hold on 1 second. Hold on. I'll be right back.
Yeah, you go ahead. I'll go through the comments. You come on back. That's good. Throw some comments up there. Let me bring this down, and we'll be back. Oh, that's you. Let me bring this down. Get over here. Oh, I want us to talk about the tacos too. Check it out. We got all-time highs. Look at that. Let me zoom in a little bit. Right. This is from inception. Right. June 2nd launches Taco Tuesday, and then you zoom in here, and yes, yesterday blasted through all-time highs. And then just a slight, like I said, slight little pullback. But there you go. People, like I said, don't know what they're doing on a Wednesday or Tuesday. But all good. Love this chart. Continue. Look at this. Looks good. Looks like a trajectory only up only. Yeah. Like up. Oh, you found a new chord.
I did find a new chord. I forgot to bring it home, so I still have luck.
You got a super chord.
I'm gonna turn this real quick.
Yeah, you turn it off. I'll hang out over here. It's all good. No worries. Let me bring it up with some comments. Yes, let's see. George, good evening, Web3 Wise guys. Looking forward to the crypto boom. It's right around the corner, George. Even to see obviously a little pullback right now for today. But that's what they do. We were expecting that with the ETFs, even though there was almost $1 billion in trading with the ETFs. We're gonna go over that. But that's pretty impressive. But thanks. Good to have you, George. Appreciate you joining us. Night Owl, GM. Happy Wellness Wednesday. Great show today, Wellness Wednesday. Night Owl. It's good stuff, man. Appreciate all that good content. But yes, appreciate you joining us. Joe, good to see you. Happy Hump Day. Good to see you, Joe. Joe gave me some cool stuff too. I'm still going through it. Got some good maybe alpha we're gonna be talking about. A lot of people always want to know things that you can do over here. I'm definitely not a financial advisor, not a tax accountant, but there's some people talking about that. Appreciate that, Joe. Comfy. Sup, boys, yees. Yeah, good. Hump day, it is. I hope you're doing well, Comfy. You're the man. Appreciate you, brother. And look how that chart does. It is sexy, bro. It's crazy, that chart. I got to look at it again. I mean, look. I mean, just pump, like a heartbeat, and then life just coming in hot, coming up only, and looks beautiful. Love it.
We got it to work, Ray.
Apex is the. Oh, you got it to work?
Yeah, just share my screen for a second to get everybody's juices flowing.
Okay, well, I don't see a screen.
Oh, that's right, because I forgot to share it.
You got to share it first, and
yeah,
appreciate it, bro. There we go. Let me bring it up. Oh, look at that. Let me bring this down. Oh, we're gonna be. Hey, so we're gonna do one battle, and when everybody's in here, we're gonna battle it, right? We're gonna battle it out.
And I'm still waiting to give away some swag. I need big numbers, people. Big numbers.
Big numbers. That's how it works, man. You know.
And what is that? Hey, what are they writing right there, Ray?
Where?
Eat Taco first food coin to a Billy.
A Billy.
Billy.
That's why I was joking. That's ridiculous. What would you go in paper hand at 3 or 4 million market cap when you know it's going to a Billy? What are you doing?
We talked to some people earlier that sold their Bitcoin at $38 when it was on the rise.
That's true.
Hello.
True. That is true. That is true. Let me go through. We got more chat. Fiaz, hey, good to have you. Nice. Thanks for joining us, Fiaz. Awesome. Good stuff. There's JC. Look at JC. This is a good mini dip to do stuff in your wallet. It is a good mini dip. People need to look at that. Sometimes it is hard to have people, having dry powder. But 100%, JC. Appreciate y'all. Geezer's crushing it in the mornings. There's spaces, you know what I'm saying? But appreciate you joining us. Love it. Matt Gary, Ray, I just texted you. Oh, good story. All right. Hey, Matt.
Matt, thanks for bringing gum for the whole room. What the hell? What are you doing, man?
Hey, during the show.
Story.
Give me a little pre. Give me a little pre. All good. Much love, Matt. Much love, Matt. Appreciate you, brother. You the man.
I don't know who we're watching on the screen right now.
Ahmad, good to see you. Hello. Appreciate you joining us, brother. Thank you. GM, another exciting learning time with the Web3 Wise Guys. Yes, it is my crypto adventures. Going to do a great show today. We got a lot of stuff to talk about, and we're getting after it. Howdy, boys. Scott, there he is. There's the man, the myth, the legend, the line thrower. Love it. Appreciate you, Scott. There we go. Lou, number 11. Oh, Lou, smashing it. Number 11. It's all right, Honolulu. Got it. Yeah, it's strength. Look at the one forearm. You know the difference? It's it's getting us healthy. Love it. Hey, happy Wednesday, Ariel. Good to see you. Thank you, brother.
When he means number 11, I thought it only goes out to number 10.
Well, you can still see if you know the numbers. No, I
didn't know. I didn't know.
Oh, okay, my bad.
So he's
coming. I love it. I love FOMO. What do you got here, FOMO? What's
What the hell was that?
Hey, scroll up. Go scroll.
What is this?
This is Telegram. Look at FOMO. Oh, we go up a little with the word. Okay, there's some words there. But look at that. FOMO, dude. That's awesome.
Hey, Hacksack, can you see that? Will that work for you, baby?
There you go. That's how you do it. There you go. Love it. I'll bring it back down. And right on, Lou. Right on. Smash the like button. Smash it. Thumbs up. Smash the button. It triggers the algorithm. Gets it out there. Because we all are talking about our bags. We're talking about our own bags here. Good evening, Floor. Thanks for joining us, Floor. Appreciate you. All right. Hey, FOMO. Got news, man. Stuff's happening, right? Stuff's happening.
Are you breaking news or just news?
No, just news. We're going to jump into it. You probably do the tokens midway, yeah?
Sure.
Yeah, I love it. Awesome. Yeah. But of course, yes, this is what we start out with. This is the alpha, man. Tacos and mob. But yes, you need to dial in, everybody. You better get you some tacos. Not financial advice, but you better get you some. That's just real advice. I'm just giving you real advice. And let's get a chill music, and let's go. All right. So Bitcoin FOMO holds up as tech stocks are plunging today. Did you know that? ETH, yes, little sinking after the ETF launch. But yes, everything else. Solana is kind of ripping, and Ripple's XRP are outperforming, doing well, right? So it is good to see different ecosystems spinning up, doing their own thing. And but hey, NASDAQ and S&P 500 on Wednesday each suffered their worst declines since late 2022. Did you know that? You in the text? You're not in the text box?
Sad.
It is sad. Hey, that's MG3. He should tell us. He's all up in that stuff. He's got the NVIDIA stuff. You know what I'm saying? Is that doing all right? But anyways, the broad market crypto benchmark CoinDesk 20 index was flat over the past 24 hours. Solana and Ripple outperforming broader market, advancing 3 to 4% over the same period. Avalanche, Uniswap, and Ethereum Classic were lower, right? But again, hopefully, like you said, you start seeing this crypto market being its own, indicators and not having to worry about what's going on in stocks or in other areas, right? But of course, it is all usually pretty kind of correlated. There we go, right? Let me get in back in here and jump over to this. So look, if you haven't seen, this is BlackRock, right? This is their first commercial for the ETH ETF. Did you see this, FOMO?
No, I did not. I love it.
Let me bring this down a little bit. I'm going to mute myself.
BlackRock drops Ethereum ETF video for investors. This is like the inaugural. This should be.
Yeah, we should. We should. I got to mute myself. Take a listen. And again, he's speaking to his people, right? This is his people.
Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap after Bitcoin and has key characteristics that make it distinct. While many see Bitcoin's key appeal in its scarcity, many find Ethereum's appeal in its utility. Ethereum is a highly programmable blockchain that provides infrastructure for a diverse range of assets and use cases. You could think of Ethereum as a global platform for applications. This platform enables applications referred to as smart contracts to run without a centralized intermediary. Transactions on Ethereum require a transaction fee to be paid in the network's native token, Ether. Investor interest in Ether has been expanding as more people adopt digital assets. And that's why we're introducing ETHA, the iShares Ethereum Trust ETF, which provides investors convenient exposure to Ether. Here are 3 things to know about ETHA. The first is access. ETHA enables investors to access Ethereum's native token Ether within a traditional brokerage account. The second is convenience. ETHA can help remove operational burdens associated with holding Ether directly, as well as potential high trading costs and tax reporting complexities. And finally, integrated technology. ETHA is managed by the world's largest asset manager and leverages a multi-year technology integration developed with Coinbase Prime, the world's largest institutional digital asset custodian. Access ETHA through your online brokerage or discuss.
Well, like we said, at least if you saw at the beginning, right? He's just showing you, some of the differences, right, in the store of value, right, with Bitcoin, and then what you can do with Ethereum. That's what we've been saying. Is now you're going to start seeing, people really starting to dig in and know that there's a real difference in technologies, what some of these different crypto tokens and cryptocurrencies do. It's not just some kind of ridiculous magic internet money, right?
I did have a question. The way he's pronouncing it, is it ETHA?
Well, that's the ETF, ETHA, right? That's theirs.
Oh, gotcha. Now
not Ether, right? It's their.
I thought he was like having a stutter. I'm like,
well, no, you said it at the beginning. You were looking at your foot. No, I'm just.
I was looking at my foot. Now.
But
I'm listening. ETHA.
It is ETHA. But listen, that's what's cool. We've been saying it. This is what they're going to do. They're going to lay it out and start explaining it to.
I love it.
Investors, right? We've been doing it over here in DGen land on Twitter Space, right? So, come on, right?
They got a different budget, Ray.
It's a little different over there.
They got some assistance.
And what happens is just like what E.F. Hutton. When E.F. Hutton talks, people listen.
Well, I just seen it now. When ETHA talks, ETHA
listens. Yes.
ETHA, yes.
Yes, that's right.
ETHA.
But hey, more. I'm just getting you some what
Kraken.
people. Yeah, Kraken. Well, this isn't Kraken. This is Bankless and this guy. Check it out. He's really into obviously into ETFs and into the financial areas, and then he's also into crypto. So listen to what he's about to say, because yesterday was a big day. Just because you didn't see it in the prices and the price action is a big day. So take a listen. Right? Let me mute myself.
Let me put on my ETF hat and then I'll put on my crypto hat, because it depends which perspective you're looking at. So just to level set for the non-ETF experts, the average ETF trades about $1 million in its first day.
So this is we got over $1 billion.
Yeah, this is 1,000-fold better, right?
The average ETF, the first day.
You just gotta, when you tell me the news, I just want to sit back like this. What happened today? What was it? How much came in today, Ray?
Yeah, $1 billion.
I gotta get up for that. $1 billion.
Yesterday.
Only expecting $1 million, right? $1 billion.
Well, he wasn't expecting, somewhere around there, 300, 400, 500 million tops. But yesterday, he's saying the average ETF is $1 million, right? And this over here with Ethereum, there's a billion in transactions yesterday with this stuff, right? Bitcoin was much higher, right? This is why we're in the right space, FOMO. We're here. We've been waiting, right? And let these people do all their thing, because again, it just brings all the attention to where it's needed, right? Kind of crazy. But I had to pause it there. That's crazy. 1,000x more than traditional stuff. Okay, 1,000x more. Ridiculous.
That's pretty phenomenal. I think it's the second biggest debut of any ETF in history. There have been 5,500 ETFs that have launched, covering stocks, bonds, countries, sectors, etc. No, ETH was the second best of all time. That sounds pretty good. It's only from the lens of the Bitcoin ETF, which was absolutely historic, first in its class, $4.6 billion in volume, that it's, maybe only an A. But this was a great debut. It says a lot of good things about where this is going long term.
I feel like that's always Ethereum's case. It's always like the middle child syndrome. It's always like the little. Might that be in the range of?
Yeah, $400-500 million.
And we're over double that. We're over double expectations.
We're over double expectations, and also I can't stress how important this is. Even for someone inside the industry, there was a chance you get to the starting line and it just fizzles. There's 50 million, there's $100 million in trading volume. You don't know for sure. And so we completely removed that negative case and we ended up on a very good case. We did 86% of the inflows that Bitcoin ETFs did on day one on a net basis. That's way bigger.
Wait. So trading volume was about 23%. But inflows, give me that again.
It was I think in the mid 80s versus Bitcoin for day one inflows. We had a very good day.
Percentage wise, like mid 80s percentage wise, 85, like 85%, something like that.
Yeah, I mean, I should say this is probably obvious to everyone out there, but there's a big difference between trading volume and inflows.
Yes.
A product launches, people can trade it back and forth, but that doesn't mean money is coming in. We had, what was it, $590 million come into the new ETFs. That's a very, very lot. And even if you adjust out for the money that came out of ETH, it was north of $100 million. That's a great day. I mean, that's $100 million that didn't own ETH yesterday and owns it today. Let's extrapolate that out for, a year. Not that we'll continue at that pace, but extrapolate like net new buyers coming into the market. It's really significant.
Big deal, FOMO. Big deal, right?
Big. You got that adjective correct, Ray.
It's a big deal. And again, good things that it just didn't do a fizzle, right? Like I said, all this again might not see in price action. Takes a little while to get all this dialed in. And like I said, there's a lot of stuff going on, right? But that is huge. That is stuff that has not been happening at all. And then, like you said in the previous one, now you got them out there talking about it, because those are financial advisors, FOMO, right? And they will be talking to their clients. Who knows if it's anywhere in this 2024 year range, 2025, 2026, whatever. But now these people are going to be out there who are financial advisors, and they're going to be talking to people and telling them that this isn't magic internet money, right? This is what it does. Kind of wild, man. So I'm just obviously just going along. This is, we just talked about it. ETFs surpassed 1 billion in volume the first day. I don't need to go through that again, but yes, that's huge. And again, BlackRock, Fidelity, Van Eck, Bitwise, 21 shares. There's a bunch of them that are launching these ETFs. So all huge. That's going on, with Bitcoin and Ethereum. And now I want to jump in something a little different, FOMO, because I don't know. Are you a Ferrari guy?
I am a Ferrari guy, actually.
Okay. All right. Ferrari is going to launch crypto payments in Europe. Did you know that they were already very, very successful in the US, accepting Bitcoin and crypto for purchasing Ferraris? Did you know that?
I like what you're saying, Ray.
I like it, right? So partner with major payments provider BitPay. Now they're going to go out to Europe. So again, companies are really starting to embrace this new currency that people kind of thought that is kind of funny. It's not working, right? But by the end of 2024, Ferrari will expand cryptocurrency transactions to other countries in its international dealer network where cryptocurrencies are legally accepted. Love it, man.
Wow.
It is impressive,
Not
man.
just a Formula, One car anymore, Ray.
Ooh, maybe you can buy a Formula One because they do Ferraris, right?
100%.
Those are a couple $1 million, though, right? I mean, those.
Hey, it's a Bitcoin or two. Yeah, life goes on.
That's right. When it goes to the moon, that's what I'm talking about.
When it goes to 100 million of Bitcoin, Ray.
Yeah.
Booyah!
So that the Ferrari dealers will receive payments in local currency directly into bank accounts. So
Wow.
they are doing things where again accepting it, because we're going to get into Coinbase a little bit too. Got more news, got more cool things about smart wallets and smart pay, right? And we're going to talk about it. And this I'll let you could probably jump into yours, FOMO, because I'm going to get into onboarding after this.
Okay,
yeah.
1 second. I've been sharing the wrong thing.
Yeah, well, it's all right. I see the battling. I see the battling going on.
They're a little crazy, those people.
It is. It's tough, like that. The fighting. It's fun. Tacos. It's good. It's a war on broke, FOMO. Let me hit there you go. Sue, thank you. Appreciate the education. Thank you. Steve, happy Monster Wednesday. It is Monster Wednesday. Connectricity. Love it all. Appreciate you, Steve. Thank you. Wednesdays are now much wiser because of you guys. Thank you, Matt. Good to see you, brother. Have a great week. Enjoy it. Thank you. Best information always. Thank you. You the man, Josh. Appreciate you, man. And look, here we go, FOMO. You got it. You started at the top, yeah?
Yeah, I started right here.
There you go. Okay.
Stop. What could be the next cryptocurrency to explode in 2024? You see that, Ray?
Love it, man. I'm ready.
Well, what do you think it could be, Ray?
I got some ideas,
Just so you know, key factors for crypto success, Ray. We're just gonna tap. What's this, Ray? We're just gonna tap on these.
You tap on it. That's right.
Tap on it. Current trends.
Farming. You're gonna farm on it? Is it?
No, we're gonna tap. Yeah, we're gonna tap farming.
Tap farming.
Just gonna go over it a little touchy.
Love it. I love it.
You gotta use the 2-finger touch.
What's trending? What's trending in this thing? Is it tap?
Right. Trending. You know what I mean? Could be some tacos. Could be ETH ETFs and established players. Large cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are still solid growth. The 1 and 2. It's the 1 and 2 punch. You know that, right?
And they are on the list. I know they are. They got to be.
Yeah. Market volatility. That's usually when I'm crying.
You're showing one right now. Thank you. I saw one. I already know one now.
Sorry, I went too far. It was a teaser.
Oh, you got another one. All right.
What?
All good. Come on.
Render.
I
think one of us has that.
Yes, we do.
I'm going to guess it's you, Ray, because I don't have
that. Render. No, it is. It's been doing. Hasn't really been on a tear right now. Right, been a big pullback with this kind of crossed the market crash, but it's all good. Go ahead.
Oh, here's the second. Thorchain.
Also
known as Rune.
I do not have Thorchain, but heard good things,
We did hear good things, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes.
Concept Thorchain is a decentralized crypto exchange. Offers liquidity pools for over 5,500 cryptocurrencies. Beautiful.
I love liquidity pools.
In the late pools, reaching about $1 billion per week. Did you hear what I just said, Ray?
Yes, $1 billion.
$1 billion a week.
Per week. Swap volume. That's
some fees going on there, Ray.
Hey, Thorchain, Rune. It's Rune.
Take a look.
Love it.
Oh,
look at that one. That's what I'm talking about.
I might spend a little bit more time on it. The community, also known as, they used a different word today.
Taco cult.
Yes, that's what they were calling it, right? Eat Tacos boast a passion and growing community, fostering fun and engagement, also known as a taco cult.
Yeah, it's growing like crazy. I love it in there.
Economics, baby.
Hey, and they got all kinds of cool things with the mob, right?
Mob, tacos.
Mob and tacos.
Tuesday.io. TacoTuesday.io.
Yes.
So features a solid economic model with capped supply and strategic. Hey, I didn't know this.
What? It's a tokenomics.
Right there. They haven't burnt anything, have they?
I see eating tacos. I don't know. I see.
Holy, Ray of Light dropping alpha right now.
I don't
Ladies
know.
and gentlemen, there
What?
may be a strategic token burn.
I don't-
Oh, burn it, baby. Eat that taco, burn it. Utility offers tangible benefits beyond speculation.
There you go.
Including community rewards and exclusive events.
Vince, transparency. That's what I'm talking about. Bitcoin. Oh, you got Bitcoin.
Yeah,
Cool.
I know. I want to get transparency. He's backed by a transparent team and detailed white paper outlining vision and roadmap. Bitcoin. This is Papa Bear, Ray. This is Papa Bear. And you know how we spell bear here, Ray? B-E-A-R.
Yeah, that is a bear. That's the bear. Yes, that is the Papa Bear.
This is Bear.
Yes.
Bitcoin's grandfather. Market position number 1. Recent milestone number 2. SEC approved it. First Bitcoin ETF was the first crypto ETF approved in the world.
It was.
And ETF approval makes, I call it the normies. You know what I'm saying, Ray? They go over there to their Charles Schwab account and they just move over their money.
But that's how people like it, man.
I know. That's what I told you. I don't know. Monero. Do I have to pronounce it like that?
It's Monero, yes.
It ain't Monero. It's not Monero. It's Monero. Look at that. Privacy. Monero's best known privacy coin, offering anonymous, untraceable transactions.
Anon. Monero.
Wow. Longevity. It's been around since 2014.
2014.
Regulation. Increasing crypto regulation may drive demand for privacy-focused cryptocurrencies.
Monero.
This is like anonymous.
Anon token. Yes.
Oh, that's sexy. Right?
I'm throwing it out there. Say it's
true.
Wrong, but don't. Oh, I'm sorry. Go ahead.
I don't know. Ex Robinhood Jog and Jeff Fang, ex Goldman Sachs.
Yeah.
That's who it was founded by.
They're just telling you the founders, you know.
Yeah. So bringing financial markets to blockchain.
Yeah.
28 full-time developers on the team, Ray.
Hey.
Pretty good, Ray.
There you go. So I'm
good choice. I know this one. Aave.
Yes, Aave. Oh.
Man, this big mouse.
What is wrong with
DeFi protocol? Aave is a decentralized finance protocol and lending platform. Mm-hmm. You know, we haven't gone there lately. What do you think, like, they're giving for, Ethereum or Bitcoin right now?
I don't know. The things do adjust. You have to know that, right? It doesn't.
Yeah, we're going to go over there after this. I'm just curious. Like, what kind of? And now, is it loans or liquidity pools for staking?
Well, there's a couple different ways. You're right. There's a lot. It's not just one size fit all. You got like you just see liquidity pools. You got all kinds of stuff, right?
Ethereum, first mover. First blockchain to offer smart contracts for building apps.
Yes.
dApps, decentralized application, proof of stake versus proof of work, which transitioned in September 2022.
Mm-hmm.
Improving energy efficiency, because that was a big complaint. And then staking. Now you can stake, get a little Ethereum staked. What is it? Is it 32 Ethereum to own a node or something like that?
If you want to fully stake, yes. You can run it where you're getting all of the rewards, right? There's some people that you can do it on Coinbase, but you're sharing with others and with Coinbase. So yes, when you will fully want to do it, it's 32. Correct.
Love it. So that's all I got today, Ray.
Love it. Look at Mona. Happy Wednesday, wise guys. Here to listen and learn. Appreciate you, Mona. Thank you for joining us. And JC likes Ripple. It just went up a nickel. Hey, so you like Ripple, huh, JC? Okay. I didn't know you're a Ripple. You're in the Ripple army. I love it, man. There you go. But yes, great stuff, FOMO, right? Are we going to battle? Are we battling?
We are going to battle.
It's time to battle, everybody. Put your Taco Dome helmets on.
Everybody.
Taco Dome. Hold on.
Announcement. We're going into Taco Tuesday on the Telegram channel. Taco Tuesday. There's 36 people online. How many people in here, Ray? I don't have a number.
It says, about 35, 37.
35. Let's break 30, ladies and gentlemen. We're going into the Taco Tuesday Telegram channel.
Taco Tuesday.
I am going to be putting the /. We're going to be joining a battle.
Oh, wow.
You want to share the screen, Ray?
Yeah, hold on. Are you in Mob? It looks like you're in something else.
I'm in Taco Tuesday.
Okay, you're in Taco. Got it. Okay.
Go
Taco
up.
Tuesday. Yes.
Yeah, do you see it?
I do.
Right there.
Got a battle, everybody.
Why did it say there was a mob in there? I said.
Please come back later and try this. It's all good.
Okay.
Well, I think they're pushing an update, so that's it.
Is that what they're doing?
I think so.
Okay,
Hold
so
on.
do we need to go to the
Yes, people are scheduling now. So sometimes we battle for the Taco Queen. Taco Dome.
Okay.
Taco
Put
Dome.
in that, right?
Yeah.
So no battle right now while they're pushing an update?
Yeah, you tell me if you can. If you see it and you can battle, we'll come back. Yeah?
Try one more time.
Join the battle.
It is.
Join the battle, FOMO. Thank you. Excellent.
And you can share the screen. There we are, ladies and gentlemen.
Battle it up.
Join us.
Yes.
Join us.
Oh, let's battle for the
bragging
queen.
rights, ladies and gentlemen. This is right on the YouTube show.
Battling for the queen.
Do it.
For the queen.
8 people.
Yes. Let me get some music. We got to get some music going.
Can you get some rock
Some
and
battle
roll?
music.
Get
Battle
some disco or something.
Yeah. There we go. Let's it's a taco, right?
It is in taco.
Okay, so we'll do that.
Yeah, we got 13 people in the space right now, Ray. 13 people. 10 seconds now.
Getting ready.
I need 20, ladies and gentlemen. Get your phones over to the field.
I love the Taco Dome. Oh, we got, keep it going. We got 14, 15. Keep it going. Keep coming in. Oh, look at the battle. Battle Royale. Taco Dome.
I don't know what Apex just had for breakfast, but he's on fire.
He is on fire. MG3 is up there, too.
Oh, my goodness. Ray of Light just passed.
Well, I'm getting after it.
Hatsack's in there. Hatsack just passed me.
Okay,
Night Owl just passed me. What is going on?
There's a whole separate group that just is very good. Here we go. Battling. Oh, Lou. Lou just is coming up. Lou passed you too, FOMO. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, man. Look at Apex, Bronx Bomber, MD3, GW Rich. Man. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Battling for the queen, FOMO. Battling for the queen. Hey, it's not that much of a delay. Oh, yeah. You don't know what we're doing? Playing a game in Telegram? Battling and farming. Check it out.
Look at this. Ray of Light's in second, right behind Apex. What kind of jeans is Apex wearing, Ray?
Yeah, but you see you look to the right. There's a whole bunch of other people that are doing it, man. You see what I'm saying? You got Bronx Bomber. You got GW Rich.
Okay, I got you.
Yeah.
Oh,
so
wow. MP3 is in the lead. GW Rich is in the lead. Bronx Bomber's in the lead.
Yeah. So that's what I'm saying.
Wow.
You know about this, everybody. If you're looking at this and you're playing, to the left are your friends, right? That you're friends within Telegram. To the right is the whole gang that's playing, you know? So
right now we got 18 people, right? 18
people. That's what I'm talking about. Battling for the queen. Love it, man. Oh. This is the last one is where that's where you show it there, FOMO. You gotta, a minute for battling.
Hatsack's even beating me.
Well, you gotta pick it up, FOMO. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Who has the stamina? Oh, look at Night Owl trying to creep up here. What are you doing, Night Owl?
Past Hatsack. Night Owl past Hatsack.
Calm down.
Faster.
Oh, look. Oh, okay. My bad. I thought it was we're like 100. It's all good. Never mind, Night Owl. Bronx Bomber. Look at him, man. He's crushing it. But they're all pretty close. It's crazy. GW Rich, MD3, and Bronx Bomber. Those guys, man. Crushing it.
18 people.
Apex too, man. Apex gets it going, man. This is difficult though on the show. Like I said, I'm not in my normal position.
Well, normally you're doing it on your belly.
More relaxed. I'm in the relaxed mode. But yes, love it. Oh, what a battle! What a battle!
Battle Royale.
We We earned 880,000 mob cash, man.
Lewis right here. MG3 in first. Bronx Bomber in second. TW Rich in third. Apex Scoring Cup fourth. Ray of Light fifth. Gimme Sugar. Gimme Sugar comes in sixth. Night Owl in seventh. Rich Hollinger in eighth. Hatsack in ninth. And FOMO in 10th. Look at that. She beat me by 10. Congratulations, everybody.
That's a great battle. Great battle.
Battle Royale in Taco Dome.
The Taco Dome.
18 people enter. One is crowned champion.
That's right. Hey, you don't have to. Can you click up at that link? You see the link at the top? If you click Taco Tuesday.
Oh, okay. Hold on.
Click at the top. There you go. Now click that link. Share the link.
Here?
You just share. Yeah, click it. Now just copy the link. See the link? It says copy the link. Click that. Now bring it into here, FOMO, and just private chat at me, and then I'll put it up into the group.
Okay. Right? Click me off for a second.
Yeah, sure. Hold on. So yes, everybody, if you're not in that Telegram, you need to get in there because we're farming. Right?
Actually, I'm going to send it to your Skype channel. It's easier for me.
That's fine. Yeah, we're battling, playing games, farming mob cash, turning it into power, and it's crazy, man.
I just sent it to your Skype.
Right? Okay, let me get it. Hold on. I'm going to help you, everybody. Share.
Help me, help you.
Help me.
Help you.
That's right. Help me, help me, help you, help me. That's right.
That's it. That's a good relationship.
So look, let me get in here in the comments. Let me get in the comments. Oh, look at Matt. He's flexing. Says champ right there. He's a champ. George, the tip was coming off of my drumstick. Shoot, close one. So it is. Everybody's got different styles. That's why I love it, man. So awesome, George. Awesome, Matt. Get in Telegram, baby. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about, Josh. Because look, let me drop it in here. If you don't have this link, you need to share this link out, right? If you don't have friends that are not in there battling, right? Battling with you, you need to give them this link right there. Join the Telegram. And appreciate y'all. Let's battle.
Looks like Tina wants a battle. Let's go. Let's go join Tina and battle it up.
You're doing another battle? We got
another battle, Ray. I'm sorry. Tina started it.
We got a show. That's all right.
Tina started it, Ray.
I'll keep doing the show. You know. Oh, look. Are you even farming? That's what I'm telling you, man. People, you have no idea, right? You have no idea. People trying to help you out, trying to have you win. Everybody talks about winning. You want to win, FOMO? You need to be fun.
I'm trying to win. I want to be a winner like the rest of you, and I try hard.
You got to win.
Like MG3. First of all, the guy's in a bathrobe right now, sitting at the dining room table. I know it. I don't know how he's flying.
Oh, look at this! Look at this. Are you even
he's dropping out for this guy?
Dropping out. Apex knows, man. He definitely knows. This is the guy. You know, Mob is the alpha update. Did he say update coming soon? What? Oh my goodness. That's what I'm talking about, Apex. Update coming soon, right? And yes, if you're not farming, you don't know. You don't know what you're doing.
Are you even farming?
Are you farming? Like, come on.
He's very poetic.
It is. That's poetic.
Are you even living?
Are you?
Are you mobbing?
There you go. And look, to this. You're so are you even farming? And are you even paying attention? And check this out. You want friends?
Hold on, I'll do this for you, Ray. I need friends. Please, somebody be my friend.
Help me make friends. I want to make some new friends.
I need a friend.
I want to make friends in crypto.
I need friends.
We built more.
Is there a song like that? Friends or something?
Something that would never have one, whatever. Yes. Well, we built more. That's what I'm talking about, right? And Marisha loves it. Thank you, Marisha. That's right. Having a good time. And that's it. There it is. Are you even paying attention? Are you paying attention? / because that's the codes up in there. That's codes, folks.
Yeah, I'm just saying, Apex. Welcome to Taco Dome.
Could be 35 men enter, one taco leaves, right? Yes. And it is just getting started. You don't even know. I'm trying to tell you. Everybody's trying to tell you. It's funny. You're gonna look back. You're gonna look back at these shows. They're stamped on YouTube forever. We've been trying to tell you.
You just brought me. Say that again. They're stamped on YouTube forever.
They're stamped on YouTube
Can
forever.
you imagine if aliens at the Antarctica are watching this and we're stars in the alien civilization?
Oh, that's deep, Fomo. That's pretty deep.
But think about it. You just said it. You blew my mind. The aliens are in Antarctica and they're going tappity tap 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 tap, and they have bigger fingers than I do. They might have an advantage.
They do. They do. Uh-oh.
You know.
Lock it in. You gotta lock it in. I'm telling you. You gotta get in there. You gotta battle. You gotta enjoy. And then look, check the game out. Just earned. That's what I'm talking about. Love it. Congrats. Multipliers. All kinds of things happening there. Just an amazing thing, right? You have to get there and get farming. Get farming. You know? Love it.
Well, I want to thank everybody. It's been a lot of fun, right? You've been
Yeah.
great.
It is fun. Mama's alpha, man.
I like when he said that because we were just talking about connectivity with friends, right?
Connectivity with friends. Yes.
Somebody owns that.
All good. All good.
Connectivity with friends. You know why, Ray? Some of us need better friends. So
You need
come
better-
on over.
Well, you do. The world's messed up. And listen, this is what we're going to talk about. This is important, man. We're not over here just dilly-dallying, right? The world is about to change. It really is, right? And again, I don't think people really recognize it, right? I don't think everybody really understands how monumental a shift and how much, things are going to make a big change, right, in the world. This thing, wait, that's a good thing. Is this is being recorded, so tomorrow nobody can complain. We did not touch Mauricio, 100%. Been here for years, right?
Hey,
Trying to tell people.
good one. I told you.
I told you. Look, hey,
I
it's
told
stamped. It's stamped forever on YouTube. We
Yeah,
told you. Ain't nobody trying to hide anything. It's just, we joke about the cabal. We joke about the, all of this stuff. But they're all about to find out, right? They're all about to find out. It's kind of ridiculous. But onboarding the next 1 billion users to crypto.
That's crazy.
People that do this, or even maybe does half of that, that they win, FOMO? They win the game.
They win.
They win the game. They win. It's over. They can do the dunking, and they're doing the touchdown dances.
Dunking. They're gonna have one of those trampolines before the board. You know what I mean? Boing! Hey, is that Ray? 30 feet up. Boom! He's bringing the heat.
But I'm not going to go through the whole thing. I just want to highlight some of the, the process, right? Simplifying the onboarding process.
Onboarding.
Simplifying onboarding process. It's complicated and scary for people, man, right? That's literally why the ETFs are happening, because people do not want to mess with it. They don't want to do a wallet, and they don't want to do self-custody. They're all scared. They got the media all telling them that scamming. And listen, there's a lot of scamming going on in crypto, but that is for the people who are all messing around in ridiculousness, right? Well, there you go. You do that, and and he's right. You need to dial in on this. This is right. Themers are about to find out. He ain't lying. Themers are over.
Where he comes up with this,
but he's true.
It blows my mind on a daily basis with these phrases. I like themers. That's funny and poetic, all the same thing.
It is.
And it's a nice way of saying what we want to say.
Exactly.
Themers over there. I told you so.
They about to find out.
Chair, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Themers. It's hot.
Ooh, hot. Oh,
hot.
Yeah, right. That's hot. That is.
It is. That's hot. Themers, man. But yes, bro, it's crazy because again, been trying to tell people, man.
Ray.
People are looking at the funny at this event because I'm tapping away. Oh, there you go.
I got a name of the yacht.
What's up, Tim? Huh?
Effing themers.
F them themers. You're crazy. You're crazy.
How about this?
We don't have to put
themers.
We don't have to put foul language on our boat.
Sorry, it meant bye.
Hey, no, we're the mob, wise guys, tap themers. Tap them. Tap them themers.
That's it. Tap them
themers.
Tapping themers.
Yes, themers are tapping out. They're gonna tap out.
That's even a good one. Hey, there's a themers being tapped out. 1, 2, 3. with the ref underneath them, like WWE.
Yeah, like a UCF. That's right.
So talk to me about simplifying the onboarding process, because it is difficult for those members.
Yes, 100%. But seriously, simplifying the onboarding process, huge, right? And again, why I keep talking that opus when we're doing all this stuff takes 15 seconds. Takes 15 seconds from you downloading it from the App Store to you being and integrating on all the things in the activities, collecting stamp, all that stuff. 15 seconds, right? 15 seconds. Apex bluntness rubbing off on the MFers. It is. That's you gotta be straight up, because they don't know. They just they're used to their ridiculous world of all this, them gatekeeping, right? But anyways, simplifying that is going to be a big deal, right? Enhancing educational resources. Yeah, having all kinds of events and doing all that kind of stuff. Yeah, huge. Anybody that really literally cares about that, going to do huge things in this space, right? Not just so they can go and get them in their community and then go shill them some other stuff. That is huge. You need to educate. Here we go. Check the pins, everybody. Check the pins. If you're again, I'm in Telegram. Does that mean there's a stamp? Am I missing a stamp? Tell me if I'm missing a stamp.
I don't know. I checked the thing.
All good. But check it out. Let me know. But yes, enhancing educational resources is going to be huge. And again, that you truly want to help people get into this space safely and securely and do very well, right? That's why we talk about all this stuff. Like I said, this ecosystem is filled with all kinds of golden nuggets, FOMO. All kinds of golden nuggets, right? We talk about a few. Improving wallet usability, right? A lot of people don't understand the complex components for new users, right? And how do they use these apps, right? And these wallets. There's all kinds of things that you can do, right? There's some, like I said, I'm going to go through some things that Coinbase is doing, pretty unique and pretty cool, right? And then again, streamlining transactions needs to be much faster, everybody, right? Like I said, that's why we make jokes with Solana and the Phantom wallets and doing some of that. I love how fast it is when it's going, but sometimes transactions don't always go through. This process all needs to be fixed, right? And I see that. And when I claim a stamp in this ecosystem, do you know how fast it is? Do you see that? Let me jump over here. Let me see. You see these fireworks that are going off in the world? That's how fast the transaction's happening, right? Just because you're collecting a stamp, that is on chain and that is happening immediately. This is in real time.
It's just going off, right?
It is going off everywhere. It's great. But all I'm saying is we're talking about this kind of stuff, right? This kind of stuff, streamlining transactions. How easy is it to click a link? Clicking a link, right? Or button. And now you minted an NFT, right? You minted an NFT, FOMO. Am I missing one? I know. He gets people all, he gets some FOMO. Yeah. ETH summer is here. 100% Will. Good to see you, Cheesehead. Love you, man. Awesome. Good stuff. So that's, where's one more? And then leveraging social proof and community engagement. Ooh, look at that one right there. Leveraging social proof and community engagement.
Holy mackerel. That's right in your face with a little pie. I think that's what we're doing almost. Like
that's like dunking. That's like just shoving it.
Just like listen, man, we're leveraging social proof and community engagement. That's like right in your face.
It's right in your face. How important it is for mass adoption. 1 billion people. Building trust is crucial. Encouraging adoption among new users. Platforms can leverage social proof through testimonials, user reviews, and case studies. See, they're still talking about Web 3 or Web 2 back there, right? When people are actually, you can use some of these tools like you see in the mob. That is real social proof, FOMO. Very cool stuff, right? And then this is very interesting because I don't think you've ever, maybe none of us have heard, but have you heard of the Magic Spend? Have you ever heard of Magic Spend?
Only when Hatset goes shopping. It's magically coming back with nothing.
A Magic Spend, I love it. Like
she makes it disappear.
That's true. So look at this. Look at this.
That's Magic Spend.
My crypto ventures gets it. I'm telling you, that's why I love her. She's awesome. Check it out. The whole ecosystem is interconnected and synced. Mind blowing.
Look at the alpha being thrown at our face again. If this was a pie throwing contest, we would have got hit in the face.
It is. That's why I love talking about this stuff. You see these people, hey man, this is how we're gonna fix it. Hey, no, this is how we're gonna get 1 billion people. You know.
Look, I got a nice FOMO remark too.
Nice FOMO. Nice.
Yeah, nice FOMO. Magic spend.
There you go.
Make it disappear.
There you go. Make it disappear.
Hey, but my crypto ventures nailed it.
I'm telling you, that's why. Seriously,
the ecosystem is interconnected and in sync. Mind blowing. That's all you. That's a shirt right there.
It's mind blowing.
And why should I get involved? Because our whole ecosystem is interconnected and in sync. It's mind blowing.
It is. You're talking something that's playing over in Telegram, right? And then we go and look over here, and you see connectricity, right? This is a map that is IRL. Like I said, man, it's crazy. All of these dots, right, are people, a network all over the world, and they're engaging.
Do
They're
they
engaging.
understand the whole ecosystem is interconnected and in sync?
And in sync. I love it. It's
My
true.
crypto adventures.
That's right. It is. Should be a T-shirt. Definitely should be on a mug. Yeah.
So explain the magic spend, the real magic spend, Ray.
But check it out, okay? The second largest roll-up in the less than a year. So it's an insane success. It's on Base, right? Base. But have you heard of their latest chain abstraction? And it's called Magic Spend. It expands Coinbase's territory across all roll-ups, and it's going unnoticed. So here's the breakdown, right? So what does it do? What is this thing? What does Magic Spend enable? Magic Spend allows users to spend their Coinbase balance on chain anywhere. Right?
Say what?
Say what? Yes.
With a credit card of some sort, maybe?
Well, you'll see. But I'm just telling you, this is listen, I wouldn't want to do that anyway. I'm not trying to, turn any
myself.
But seriously, look, seriously, right? You can open your Coinbase app, and if you have $100 in USDC custodied on their platform, you can use that anywhere on chain instantly, right? Wow. So it sounds crazy. Honestly, it kind of blew my mind when I first realized it wasn't just a buzzword propaganda. And again, doing my research, this is again here. Let me give credit to people, right? Austin King, right there. Okay. So
M2's cousin from
yeah,
Detroit.
Could be. Where am I? I lose it.
Right. No, a little higher.
A little higher.
Right about that, right there.
So here it goes. Here, right here. Just the terminology. Yes, all this kind of wacky stuff and all this. Look, formalism. Did you like formalism? I was.
It's like FOMO, but
I was going to say formalism.
You have FOMO on the mind. I appreciate it very much. Hey, that's formalism. No, it's not. It's formalism.
There you go.
How does Magic Spend work?
It is. I'm going to go in there. What FOMO?
Hey, Apex.
What you put in your coffee? You're strong. That's right.
I put a little Dunkin' Donuts creamer. Just
so how does it work? First thing to understand that Coinbase holds gigantic pools of coins like ETH and USDC across all major rollups.
They say rollups. What's a rollup?
It's the smart, all the contracts, the dApps, the decentralized applications. They have their it's another whole ecosystem, right?
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah, just technological types of stuff, right? Users are constantly moving in and out of Coinbase across various platforms. So holding large bags of coins on each of these platforms is naturally a byproduct of their business operations.
Okay.
So here we go explaining how this works. The user isn't putting their requests on chain right away. They are sending Coinbase a message that says, "Hey, I want to spend $50 on Optimism for this NFT." Okay? That's what they're saying. Coinbase receives this request and checks, okay, well, does this dude have $50? Yeah, okay, cool. Put a lock on his $50 internally so that he can't double spend it until we know what happens with this signature. We're about to ship away, okay? And again, it's just going back and forth. It's telling you how it's working, right? Coinbase responds, signature authorizing 50. The user takes that signature and ships it to on-chain. The Magic Spend contract is controlled by Coinbase and has the authority to withdraw from Coinbase's pile of USDC on Optimism. So it sees a signature. Coinbase itself gave to the user. Again, it's getting deep, okay? So all I'm saying is they figured out a pretty cool way, still being on chain, but making it faster, right? Like a side chain of their own things on doing the roll-ups and all that stuff to verify and make sure there's no double spending and you have instant access to your cryptocurrency anywhere you want to use it, right? But the cool thing is you're thinking more, hey, I'm out in the world, I want to spend something on some Versace, something like that. You could do that, but this is more for remember when we were doing with the normies, we were coming in and we were saying, hey, go check it out. You need to get a B or you need to get a monster, an NFT, right? But then we were telling them how do you use MoonPay? You got to verify KYC, all this. They could do this now on Coinbase,
right?
Without spending it.
Right. What I'm understanding, you're actually not even spending the crypto that you have over in Coinbase. You're spending it over there. It's pretty interesting.
Right. Well, and you're getting the NFT and the asset because they're starting to have their own ecosystem. So then we wouldn't have never had to have people move their stuff from Coinbase to MetaMask. Even though I'm all for that, right? We talk about self-custody. It's important. But again, for the speed of use and for user friendliness, this would have been much faster. So listen to this guy. Listen to him real quick. He's going to explain it real quick, okay?
Coinbase has this cool new feature called Magic Spend. And what it allows you to do is use your Coinbase balance to do on-chain actions. So for example, if you have Ethereum on Coinbase, and many users that are using on-chain finance for the first time feel more secure having their balance on Coinbase rather than sending it to an on-chain wallet. So if you have balance on Coinbase and Ethereum, you can now do something like buy an NFT on OpenSea or trade on a DEX like Uniswap or Aerodrome without actually having to send your ETH onto your on-chain wallet, your smart wallet first. You could also supply it on Moonwell. So this is really a fascinating feature because I feel like it's going to unlock a whole new wave of user activity where, that was also a painful experience where you'd have to find your wallet address and copy and paste it in and withdraw from Coinbase. So that kind of reduces all that on-ramp friction that we used to have with on-chain apps.
But what I think is cool, and I'm not hanging around and just talking about Coinbase, is that I know and I think that there are a lot of other products that are going to come out that are going to completely, right, just blow this stuff away, right, with other types of wallets.
100%.
Other type of wallets, right? But at least, again, they're doing things. This is what it's called, introducing smart wallets. You can start doing this stuff on Coinbase, okay? So I'm just saying, smart wallet benefits, you got all this stuff, right? And then evolving wallets to bring 1 billion users. That's what Coinbase is trying to do. It's a big, big company, right? They're on the NASDAQ. They're doing their thing. And it's super, super interesting. And then I want to end it on this, FOMO, because this is crazy, man, right? This is what we've been trying to tell people. The world is going to change, right? Oh, hold on. John. Yeah, John, no, it's on there now, man. I'll drop a link. If you throw that in the comment after the show, say, hey, what do you can you throw that thing in there for OpenSea? I'll reply to your comment with the link, so you'll have it. Yeah.
Okay, will this happen with Opus AI?
Oh, I thought he was saying OpenSea. My bad.
Yeah, no, it's Opus AI. He just
Hey, John, I don't know, man. I don't know.
Not confirm or deny.
I guess
could maybe something.
I'm just saying it's a pretty cool. Who knows what's on that amazing.
As Apex has said many times, are you paying attention?
What? Hey, look. Let me show you like this. Let me show you like this. Where are we? Oh, how about this? Update coming soon. There we go.
There you go. I love the way he took the time and made big, little, big, little, big, little, big, little.
It was kind of cool. But if you read this right here, right, your 9-to-5 job is dying. Yes?
Yes, please kill it. I've had enough.
By 2034, it will be extinct.
Loving it. Let's go.
This is Reid Hoffman's latest prediction, the founder of LinkedIn. Okay, he predicted the rise of social media in '97. And here's what he said. Okay, let's listen. Yeah. It's down here. Let me pause this. Okay. But down here, Hoffman past predictions are spooky. Predicted social media would change the world. LinkedIn sold for $26 billion. Yeah. Saw the sharing economy coming. early Airbnb, sharing economy. That's kind of cool.
Oh, that's a good one. I didn't know that was the word.
And then called the AI revolution years before ChatGPT. So we should probably listen to some of his predictions, right? So let's take a look. Let me mute myself and listen to this guy. Well, I didn't mute myself.
Don't be so hard on you, right?
You may not only work at multiple companies in your career, you may work at multiple industries. Industries are changing, your own path changes. You may not actually, in fact, do a lot of your work fully as an employee. You may actually be working in the gig economy, or you may have 2 or 3 gigs. All of these things are the directional changes from what we've seen in the workforce for the last few decades. And it actually does create a lot of opportunity. It does create a lot of productivity, but it also creates a lot of uncertainty, and people like stability. And so, one of our challenges we figure out is how do we minimize a little bit of the uncertainty, increase a little bit of stability while continuing to have the kind of opportunity, productivity, and flexibility.
So if you never heard of it, the gig economy, you ever heard of that term there, FOMO, the gig economy?
No.
Right? It's a revolution that's coming, and it's bigger than you think. If you're hearing and understanding what he's saying, is that you're not going to just do, like, you own a restaurant, right? I could say that I did obviously local marketing, all kinds of different types of sales, right? With insurance companies, all kinds of things, right? You're usually just doing that and focusing, right? With that, again, with AI and all of this, where it's streamlining and making you so much more, fast in what you can do. Look what we can do now, FOMO. We wear a lot of hats over here, right? You're literally running a business right now, and you're doing a crypto show with me.
I know. I'm actually running it. I'm turning that.
If you need to go, it's all good. I know we're after. It is
good. I don't leave.
Well,
let's go.
All I'm saying is it is. That's the point. You wear a lot of hats over here, right?
Big hat.
I can do video stuff. I can do content creation. We're doing one right now.
Shorts.
Right? Shorts. We do memes. We do all kinds of things. Okay. Some of us are starting to look at how to build things with AI, and we're not the best with coding, but we're learning. It is crazy because you're going to do all of these major things that took teams of people right now to accomplish, and we're going to be able to do them like that.
And there was a place that you went to where you can make your own game. Remember we were talking about that?
Oh yeah, there's a bunch of them. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm like unbelievable. Like you're gonna be able to code your own game, which took people weeks.
Claude 3 point something, 3.5 or something. Claude, that's huge. That does it now, man. There's a bunch of them, right? But these are. It's incredible if you're gonna keep poo-pooing and blowing this stuff off, and you're not gonna take the effort and time to learn what's coming, because this train is coming, and it's coming down the tracks pretty fast. Because, like I told you, jobs are going to be just very different in about 5-6 years, right?
Can I read this to you real quick as you read that?
Please,
this is from Michael Saylor. I'm just going to read it.
Yeah.
Spend 40,000 hours of your life trying to make money. It's worthwhile to spend 100 hours figuring out how to keep it.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Think about that for a second.
Absolutely. Yeah.
I mean, you don't do that at all, people.
They don't. No.
We spend 40,000 hours making it, and you can't even spend 100 hours figuring out how to keep it.
Yep.
So
and how true is that? How true is that? It's crazy, right?
Yeah.
People, I get that all the time. Listen, I don't have any time. I'm like, oh, okay. I'm trying to change the way you're going to be living, right? But specialized skills, global demand equal premium rates, FOMO. Premium, right? We're going to charge premium rates for what we're capable of doing. Yeah. Platforms like Brain Trust already let freelancers keep 100% of their earnings. Okay. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. The real game changer, your digital footprint will become your most valuable asset. You need to soak that in right there. Your digital footprint will become your most valuable asset. What you do online is going to be tracked, and you can think of that in a weird way, but it needs to happen, right? What you do, we've been talking about it, how you operate in this digital world. You need to be able to have that ownership economy of what you've done, what you've been a part of, where you improved some other things, right? And projects, and you get compensated for that. So that's what it's talking about. This is the gig economy, okay? And then forget resumes. Your online portfolio will be your new, right? See, I don't know exactly what that means, but again, it's going to be your resume, right? It's going to be your online portfolio is what everybody's going to know you of, right? Companies will what?
Proven work. Your proven work, like you were talking about, how active you are. Like somewhere, like they're gonna be like, "Oh my goodness, look how active you are."
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Wow. This guy.
Imagine you read a book and you get a stamp. Like, you read that book? Yes, I did.
Not only did I read it, I created a summary, right, to tell you what are the important parts and maybe some things that you should study within that book, right? It's crazy. So again, what most people are missing is not just about showcasing your work. And I don't want to, we got time, we're getting over it, right? It's about building a personal brand that stands out in a sea of digital noise.
That's another good phrase. That's you. Hey, who is this guy?
It's Neil Tapari.
I need to. You're not following him?
No, well, this is not an account.
Okay, gotcha.
But here's the thing: standing out is getting harder every day. Why? Because AI is entering the chat. Everyone's freaking out about AI stealing jobs, but they're missing the bigger picture. For example, lawyers using AI are already 200% more efficient. Instead, they focus on high-level strategy and client relationships. And guess what? They get premium payments, right? For focusing on that. AI is changing existing jobs, but it also is creating entirely new ones. Have you ever heard of an AI ethicist? You ever heard of that?
No.
So they're talking about how AI ethicists tackle questions like, how do you ensure AI decisions are fair and unbiased? You were making fun of Google Gemini, FOMO. Remember some of the cool images that they were making?
Yeah. Is that the word now? Is that the new definition of cool?
Ethicist, right? AI ethicist, right? It has to have ethics, man.
Yeah, they were horrible.
What happened when AI makes life or death choices? Do you understand? Seriously, you guys, do you understand what's coming up? This thing's going to be making decisions on whether, people live or die.
Can you imagine AI just making my lunch in the morning with a little brown paper bag? Because I like that.
You're bringing it down a notch. I get it. You're bringing it down.
Let's get back to basics, Ray.
Well, these are big deals, FOMO. The world. Yes. So it's tech meets philosophy, man. It's kind of wild. And again, world's changing. It's knowing how to leverage AI tools effectively. Why? Because those who master AI collaboration will outperform their peers.
It's also not about known as Ray of Light because he's kicking ass like that bastard.
It's not about competing with AI, but about becoming an AI-enhanced superhuman in your field.
Oh, damn, Ray.
AI superhuman.
You know that before, man. Were you trying to become a superhuman?
Superhuman, right?
It is right. That's crazy.
Yes. So let's talk again. Where are you going to be working in 2034? Right? That's 10 years from now, everybody.
I'm gonna be working on my tan. That's what I'm telling you, Ray.
Spoiler alert! And you're gonna love it, FOMO. It's probably not in a traditional office. The death of the HQ headquarters is coming,
right?
And it's happening faster than you think. Office space costs will plummet 40% by 2034.
If not more. I heard like $150 million building in Chicago sold for like $30 million.
It is, and that's what I'm saying. The economy is shifting, everybody. I know, and it's freaking people out, right? So you need to get into where all of this is happening. What is going on? I don't understand. Why do you think BlackRock and these big companies, Van Eck, Fidelity, right? Goldman Sachs, why do you think they're all moving into this with the ETFs? Why do you think that we started it at the ETFs? Normal ones come out at $1 million on the first day, and this one had $1 billion. What do you think is going on?
What says they're not paying attention, Ray? Themers.
That's right. Themers
are going to have an issue. I'm telling you. That's what they said.
It's crazy.
Themers, Apex.
It's crazy. And you try to tell people, you try to talk to them, right?
Listen, right? They don't listen.
And they don't. And you usually you tell them BlackRock, and they're like, "What's BlackRock? What is that? I don't even know what BlackRock." They don't even know BlackRock.
You know what they don't do when you tell them? They do no research on their own whatsoever. You come back to them like in 2 weeks, you see him out like, "Hey man, I was telling you about that Bitcoin. Did you check it out?"
Right. Now, and check this out. This is what's crazy. The future of work isn't just remote. It's hyper local and global simultaneously.
He's gonna that second sentence. I just talked about that yesterday.
Enter the 15-minute city.
God, I hate that thing. They're trying to slave us, Ray.
Live, work, and play all within a short walk.
Do it. 15 minutes. You don't own a car. You own nothing.
But listen, hey, we all have choices, right? We all, and like I said, that's why I love different ecosystems, because you can do whatever you want in the gig economy, right? Our gig economy, hey, it might be 15-minute islands, FOMO. Maybe it's 15-minute islands,
Right.
you know?
What's this micro entrepreneurship boom?
Yeah.
Right there, last sentence. Yeah.
Micro entrepreneurship boom. Yeah.
And I did hear live, work, and play within a fit. I understand the concept.
Yes.
Your carbon footprint is 0. That's another thing. And everybody close to work is interesting.
Yes.
Right.
But yeah, all I'm saying is it's amazing. It's good stuff, man.
When you say gig again, can you explain gig? Because it went in my mind and left.
Because you're talking about different job skills, right?
Okay.
So maybe today, or tomorrow, we're gonna do African voices tomorrow with
Right.
Crypto Simba. Okay, I help them run it in the background, so that's a gig, right? I'm literally.
Oh, you mean like a gig, like when you used to be a band member? You got a gig. So
That's a
I
gig.
did hear this. You're gonna have multiple gigs. Like
Yes,
you're not.
but they're gonna be completely different. Yes. Go ahead. My bad. Go ahead.
You're not gonna be just one thing anymore.
And
you're not
it's
gonna be a graphic artist.
no.
And you're not gonna be a poet. You're going to be a poet and a graphic artist and a movie. You're going to be multiple gigs.
Yes. So I'm gonna do that show with Crypto Simba, right? And then later that day, I could go, like you said, make a graphic design. I got to prepare and make this show, right?
Now, I bet you this way, Ray. Can you make me a website tomorrow if I needed one?
Can make you a website, correct?
You got a gig, Ray.
I got a gig, Hey, do you need a PowerPoint presentation, right?
You got another gig, Ray.
Do you see all the skills that everybody
Wow.
should be learning right now?
No, in my mind, I need really, what's this? Menu design.
Menu design.
Gig.
But
Gig.
it's not even menu design. I could do that if you gave me all the information. I could do it, right?
Right.
You need all skills, everybody, and it's also too, the AI makes you, like it says, superhuman, and it just makes you, like I said, speedy, and you can do all kinds of things very quickly. It's amazing, right? So in general, just very exciting, man. Crazy stuff that's happening. Web3 is right around the corner.
Ray, I know we need to end on a positive note. Can I see the video and the movie that you guys did, yourself and Crypto Dan?
Yeah, well, this is sponsored by Itaco, right?
Yeah, sponsored by Itaco. I just want to let you know that was a gig, Ray. Now I'm gonna actually say that all the time now. Hey, nice gig.
Crypto Dan. I was me and Crypto Dan did the gig.
Crypto Dan had a gig.
Yeah, we had a gig there. So brought to you by Itaco. Here we go.
Beautiful.
And there's your beautiful baby.
Any day now.
Really? You're eating tacos. He's eating tacos. On my ultrasound. Do you see what I have to do?
I know.
Give me that.
Everybody loves tacos, right?
But that's a great gig. And then when you do, I would like to go out with the other gig that you did. Remember the music video you put together?
I do, yeah.
That's a gig. That's a gig. I never put my mind around it. That's what
All
you're doing,
gigs.
right?
All gigs, brother. I mean, it
That's
is.
incredible when you think about it.
That's what our lives are going to be. You're not going to be just stuck in an office, me in my little office. You're not going to do that, right? We're going to be able to do that on our phones, or you're going to have those glasses, right? You're going to be in it, right? And you're just going to be swiping, doing all kinds of people going to look at you like crazy because you're over here working and you're just kind of moving and doing your thing, right?
I love it.
It's crazy. So appreciate it. Thanks for joining me, FOMO. You know, you're the man.
Appreciate you, brother.
And yes, happy Wednesday. Appreciate everybody watching.
Hey!
Yes. We'll see you.
Thirsty Thursday.
Thirsty Thursday. Love it.
Let's bring it.
Have a good night.
Thank you, guys.
Chilling with the crew, crystal tight like a dreadlock. Tokens on the rise, watch them flip like a hot walk. Midnight's here, top and taco. Tuesday clock, Taco Queens lead, making moves like a crop top. It's Taco. Crypto confessions, tacos are obsessions. Skating through the blockchain, digital profession. Life is just a mix, known for regression. Crypto with the grin, that's our secret weapon. From the daily grind, we break the chains. Taco Tuesdays here, feel the gains. Crypto dreams, blockchain reigns. Taco Queen still in my bags with the crane. It's Taco. Taco tokens listening, hustle never missing. Mind laser focused, always on a mission. Dreams on the blockchain, defying gravity. Breaking free from grind, here's our reality. It's Taco. Eyes on the prize, never compromise. Peek through the disguise, truth we crystallize. Crypto fortified, we strategize. Tokens rise, leave them hypnotized. Taco, it's Taco. Taco queens are savage, turn hustle to lavish. Pockets full of crypto, knowledge is the baggage. Blockchain is our canvas.